The Milwaukee Mower has met and exceeded our expectations as far as the cut quality that we've been used to with gas mowers for many, many years.
The M18 FUEL mower leaves a beautiful lawn. Every client that we've had that we've used this mower on has been extremely happy with the quality of cut, just leaving a perfectly level lawn throughout their entire property.
There's no loss in time, there's no loss in productivity. It's simple, you don't even have to think about it. You just go.
The M18 FUEL mower definitely exceeds my expectations for a battery-powered mower. I would have never thought a battery-powered mower can deliver this kind of power. In fact, I think it gives us more power than some of the gas-powered mowers that we've used.
The M18 FUEL mower, it far exceeded my expectations on power. I mean, it's better than gas, and that's all I ever want to use again.
The push start is instantaneous. You're ready to go. There's no sweating over how many times am I going to have to pull this thing today before I can get it going.
You just hit a button, it's very simple, and you're ready to go.
Well, the benefits of the M18 battery system are fantastic. Having the ability to take a battery from the M18 FUEL mower, throw it on my blower, or throw it on my trimmer, they're all interchangeable, which makes it wonderful. You can have one type of battery source that fits all the products that you need to get you through the day.